Dickson County in Middle Tennessee, Southern Montgomery County in Middle Tennessee, Cheatham County in Middle Tennessee, Houston County in Middle Tennessee, Humphreys County in Middle Tennessee, Southwestern Robertson County in Middle Tennessee, until 12:30 a.m. Central Standard Time. At 9:11 p.m. Central Standard Time, emergency management reported ongoing flooding issues. Flash flooding is already occurring. Some locations that will experience flooding include Dickson, Ashland City, Waverly, Erin, Coopertown, White Bluff, New Jacksonville, McEwen, Tennessee Ridge, Hurricane Mills, Pleasant View, Charlotte, Van Lair, Sladen, Cheatham, Dan, and Cunningham. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. In hilly terrain, there are hundreds of low-water crossings which are potentially dangerous in heavy rain. Do not attempt to cross flooded roads. Find an alternate route. The National Weather Service in Nashville has extended the flash flood warning for Marshall County in Middle Tennessee, Rutherford County in Middle Tennessee, Maury County in Middle Tennessee, Eastern Lawrence County in Middle Tennessee, Southern Williamson County in Middle Tennessee, Giles County in Middle Tennessee, Bedford County in Middle Tennessee, until 10:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 9:17 p.m. Central Standard Time, Doppler radar indicated heavy rain across the Warren area. Flash flooding is already occurring. Some locations that will experience flooding include Murfreesboro, Columbia, Shelbyville, Lewisburg, Lawrenceburg, Pulaski, Spring Hill, Mount Pleasant, Thompson Station, Loretto, Summertown, Chapel Hill, Ardmore, Cornersville, Wartrace, Eagleville, Elkton, Minor Hill, Bell Buckle, and Ridge. This includes the following highways: Interstate 65 between mile markers 1 and 64. Interstate 24 between mile markers 71 and 95. Interstate 840 between mile markers 15 and 57. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. The flood advisory continues for the Stones River near Donaldson until further notice. At 11 a.m. Saturday, the stage was 29.6 feet and rising. Flood stage is 35.0 feet. At 29.0 feet, water continues to inundate the Stones River Greenway between Percy Priest Dam and Lebanon Road, and has completely inundated the park area on Jacksontown Boulevard. Low-lying areas near the Heartland Park athletic fields begin to be inundated, as well as low-lying areas along Stoners Creek near industrial property. Stay tuned to Noaa Weather Radio or other local media for further information from the National Weather Service. The flood advisory continues for the Cumberland River at Carthage until late Sunday night. At 3 p.m. Saturday, the stage was 28.3 feet and rising. Flood stage is 40.0 feet. The river will rise to near 38.2 feet tomorrow afternoon. At 37.0 feet, water continues to impact agricultural and low-lying areas along the river, and is impacting roads and properties near Watervale, Lane County House Circle in the Watervale community, the Carthage Speedway, in Swope Road, Industrial Drive, Jefferson Avenue West, and Upper Ferry Road in Carthage. Athletic fields in Hartsville along Little Goose Creek are flooded, as well as portions of Latty Road, and water approaches the Conti Park on Lot 7LN, a property near the Walmart Supercenter in Carthage. At 35.0 feet, agricultural and low-lying areas along the river are impacted by high water, as well as adjacent tributaries including the Caney Fork River, Ward Creek, Payton's Creek, Roundley Creek, Wilburn Creek, Dickson Creek, and Goose Creek. Athletic fields along Little Goose Creek in Hartsville are covered with water, as well as portions of Watervale, Lane County House Circle. Water approaches properties along Swope Road, Industrial Drive, Jefferson Avenue West, and Upper Ferry Road in Carthage. At 32.0 feet, water begins to approach and impact low-lying areas along the river, and backs up adjacent tributaries including the Caney Fork River, Ward Creek, Payton's Creek, Roundley Creek, Wilburn Creek, Dickson Creek, Goose Creek, and Little Goose Creek. Water approaches Watervale, Lane County House Circle, and the Carthage Speedway. Stay tuned to Noaa Weather Radio or other local media for further information from the National Weather Service.